In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil reminder light on this Buick Encore. Let's get into it. Now you want to turn the key to the on position with the key in the vehicle without stepping on the brake. You want to push and hold down the stop button until all the lights light up, just like that. I'm going to hit OK. On the side here, on the menu, you're going to get to here, and then we want to scroll down till we get to oil remaining life, and then we're going to click on the side, hold it down, and it goes to 100%. And you can go back to normal.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.